Hi guys, welcome to this video. My name is Bria and I make beauty videos in sign language. Today I just want to show you this look right here. It's gonna be like a daily look for me. I just wanted to show you some inspiration for spring. So I hope you like this look and I hope you enjoy this video. So let's start. So because my foundation is still not the right color for me, I'm still mixing them together. I'm going to be using these two. So my Urban Decay and my Maybelline Fit Me. And my hair is wet because I just came out of the shower. Just to let you know. I'm still using my Almay concealer. So my eyebrows are done. I already primed my lid with, my Milani primer. I'm using my Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette. I'm going to be starting with sherbet all over the lid. Now I'm going to use Lemonade Craze, which is that yellow color, and just kind of blend it through my crease and under my lash line. Now I'm going to use Sweet Tea, which is kind of like a neutral light brown color. I'm going to put Sweet Tea in the outer V of my eye, so right here, and then blend it a little bit through the crease, just underneath the first color. And then I'm going to go on the outer third of my bottom lashes. Now I'm going to apply Citrus, which is like a yellowy, pinky, orangey color, just to the bare part of my lid. And then I'm just going to blend out the harsh lines on my eye with the same brush that I had Sweet Tea on. I'm going to go just in the middle, And then my last color will be Strawberry Lemonade, and I'm going to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone with that. I'm going to finish my other eye, so I'll be right back. Now I'm finished with my eyes. I put some mascara on, and now I'm going to use my Cover FX palette that I love so much right now. I'm probably going to be using this palette for a long time, I'm just warning you. I'm going to be contouring with this shade. Use an angled contour brush, and I can kind of see now where my bone is, so I just follow that. If you're not sure where to apply contour, just do like a fish face. Once you put your contour on, I like to blend it upwards. And now I'm going to use the blush. I actually love this blush. I don't have a lot of warm tone blushes, so this is really pretty for spring and summer. Now I'm going to highlight with this. I think I can only use this highlight probably in the summer when I have a darker colored skin tone. So I'm just going to be using this one. And I'm feeling very dry, so I'm going to use my rose water. This is from Natio. It has a very strong spray though. Now for lipstick, I've really been loving Dreamy from Coloupop, a satin lip. So I like it because it's not fully matte. It has like a little bit of shine, like a teeny bit. So normally I'd use a nude lip for every day, but I think this is really pretty because of the yellow and the orange. I think it looks nice with this pink lip. So that's it for this look. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, please like and subscribe for more beauty videos in sign language. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know in the comment section below this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!